Hi guys! Look, isn't this fun? We have a special guest. Hey guys! This is my friend Kaylee. Hi. And we are in her new apartment, her first apartment ever. Here it is.
So here is the before of Kaylee's new pad. This is a studio apartment, so it's, you know, literally just like one giant room. You can see we kind of have the bedroom over here. If you turn around, you have the kitchen and the hallway.
This is all I know how to use, guys.
You can come over anytime for some top ramen.
Yay! We can do something really cute right here. Like, this is a great wall space.
I measured, like, we could do a mirror and then, like, a table or something.
Dun, dun, ta da! Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at how nice the ceilings are, though. This is so cute. We can do a lot with this space. We'll make this really fun. The closet. How much clothes do you have?
Too much.
Closets are hard, especially in small spaces if you have a lot of stuff like me. There's a lot of easy hacks, so we'll have fun with this. You got a huge patio. This is so fun. You can have all sorts of parties out here. Look at the view, it's beautiful. Let's see, there's a bathroom. Yep, there's probably a bathroom.
The best part. Just kidding.
Bitches love bathrooms.
Oh!
God, turn that off.
Oh, that was, I love a mirror with lights that like gets me going. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, well the lighting in here is gonna bang. Yeah. You're gonna take lots of good selfies in here. So this is just pretty plain. Oh, you have a nice big shower though. Yeah, this is big.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get like some storage shelves.
Oh yeah, we can make this whole, we'll give this a whole ass makeover. This will be really fun. We're gonna have lots of fun with this. It's basically just a blank canvas. Okay, so tell me a little bit, first of all, what is the vibe?
Just modern, chic, kind of like that every like Pinterest girl. I don't know, I don't want to be basic, but like, you know, a little bit of amber style, like the mirror is definitely gonna add that. And like, I don't know, we'll see. Just like,
all right. Here's some pics of some things that she sent me, so just to give you an idea.
Yeah.
So these are some of the pictures that Kaylee and me put on our little Pinterest board. We have, you know, just kind of like the minimalistic Pinterest Tumblr girl kind of aesthetic.
But that's kind of the vibe, and we'll see you in a few days when we go shopping. So, time lapse. Bye-bye.
Stay tuned.
Okay, let's go shopping. Woo! It's time! And we're so blurry. We're gonna check out the motherland! I love home goods. You're gonna have the time of your life in here, I'm telling you.
Let's go get goodies.
Oh, what do you think? Should we get this for the balcony?
Right there.
Oh, we could get some crystal stuff for good omens.
I love that.
Luck and love. I know normal people wouldn't put this in their house, but like, do you want a giant peacock?
Of course.
It's always so hard for me to like decorate other people's places because I always want to put in what I want to put in. Fake flowers and things always really warm up a space. Oh, like these are cute.
Oh, these are
For you, my lady.
cute.
Especially with the little mirrored pots. These could be fun.
Buy myself flowers.
Wow, I should not be a singer.
Who needs a man when you can buy yourself flowers?
Oh, look at these. Oh. I'm so distracted easily. I don't know, get some little crystalies. Definitely gotta get some organizers. These are all pretty cute.
These are really cute.
Yeah, look at that. I like the gold ones too. Okay, fun. Need this, obviously.
I think my dog's gonna run at this. She's gonna run. That's so scary.
It's scary. I don't know why they sell this stuff. Always gotta get some candles to make a house feel like a home. What flavor should we get? Okay. We got a lot of choices up in here. Oh, you know, these are actually for me. Just a couple for the Sky Castle. So we gotta get a little couch or something. They actually have a lot of choices in here. These are kind of cute. I think the idea of doing a cream is really good. Yeah. This is a cute little marble stand.
I really like marble.
Yeah, let's for sure do some marble. Could do like glittery marble bathroom sets. God, where was this when I was in college? I would have lost my mind. Back in the day, I had to make my own stuff. They didn't sell this in stores. Okay, we definitely got to get a bunch of mirrors because, as you know, the more the merrier. See, people laugh in real life, you guys. Lots of choices. You know, got to do some outfit of the days.
Like a full length.
Yeah, a full length one. These are actually all pretty cute. All right, we got to get a lamp. What's the vibe on lamps? Oh, this lamp is really cool. Ooh. This is like a marble lamp. Wow. Definitely got to get a blanket. Big white, super fluffy one. Oh, this one's Kate Spade. Oh yeah, look at these. See, like the faux fur fuzzy ones?
These are really cute.
Top tier. We could get a bunch of Easter bunny pillows. I think this is the centerpiece of your room. So they have a bunch of Valentine's Day pillows. Do they have any normal pillows? Like, what about regular ass pillows? Oh, here we go. Regular pillows. Okay, let's see. What are we gonna do?
So we should do like a white fluffy pillow because it'll match the blanket.
I'm into that. Oh, this looks just like pillows that I had in my first apartment. I actually got those at Home Goods too. I stay at this store. Yeah, for sure some art. Art is really fun and makes a home a home. Oh, how about this? Perfect!
I like this.
Oh yeah, a little K for Kaylee. Okay, let's do that, yeah.
She's stunning in person. Her pictures doesn't do her justice.
Oh, thank you so much, Steph. This is so cute. Woohoo! Oh,
Full workout. We did some damage.
okay, that really is my workout.
Ooh, the lighting. We're bright.
And now comes the fun part. We're actually going to get to decorate. So we're going to start with this little blank wall. We got a big giant mirror to kind of, you know, make the space seem bigger. So we put that up and then we went ahead and decorated that. We got some, you know, little green vineries and this super cute little neon dream sign that we got on Amazon.
So cute! Oh yeah, we're so strong.
We're gonna decorate that with some nice inspiring picture frames and books and just all sorts of things that, you know, keep you wanting to believe in your dreams. You know, some candles like the ones we saw on Pinterest. Then moving on to the bedroom. So this was literally just a completely blank wall. So we got a cute little tufted headboard, a mattress, a desk for her to do work on, you know, the necessities, but we still had to decorate this wall here. So as you can see, this wall again, just completely plain. So we thought it'd be super fun to get one of those like really trendy lip couches. So we got one of those and isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I am like obsessed with this. I want one too. So fun. So we got that. Then we decorated a dresser with some more inspiring things.
This is fun, decorating. Just crystals everywhere. So we hung up these little shelves, infinity shelves in the corner, and we're gonna decorate them with all sorts of little trinkets.
Literally anything that you like to look at because a home is your home and you should be surrounded by things that, as Marie Kondo used to say, spark joy. The bed, so fun. So making beds is not really my specialty, but we did have fun kind of fluffing that up. Got some nice white pillows on there. We even did a really fun little DIY to do that kind of TikTokery thing where we put some LED lights behind the headboard. So then it glows. Isn't that so cool? For the patio, we got some other furniture too. I thought this marble table was super cool. So we got that for the outside and some nice high-rise chairs for her to sit on since she is in a high-rise. But beautiful to like look out at the view. So gorgeous. We decorated that again with some little trinkets and things. Got another little couch, patio chair, and
Hi, MTV. Welcome to my crib.
You guys remember this blank wall? We set up a cute little mirror thing. We have the dream, got this on Amazon, the outfit of the day pics. Also, mirrors just open up a space and make it look way bigger. It like doubles everything. So next to it, we have the cute little console table. Is that what you would call this? So we decorated it with things. We got the little Himalayan lamp, a bunch of like cute things. We got some books that she had.
Picked this little painting dream because I always like to follow my dreams. Yeah, and also believe because like it all just falls in the same category.
Aren't these cool? These little crystal bookends. This just, you know, again, the good vibes, the books that mean something to you and the good quotes. Obviously. Then over here, as you saw, we got the piano. Isn't this so cute? This is like a super mini keyboard. You guys know I'm obsessed with pianos, even though I can't play. I have like a grand one in my house, but she can play. So this is actually a really cute like way to get the kind of fancy vibe, but yeah, in a small space. Whoa!
And this is my vision board.
Does this not just make you cry, you guys?
Very inspired by Amber because I watched her videos and I was like, I need to do this. So now we're making a video together and we both have vision boards.
My heart. You guys know I'm a huge proponent of vision boards. You should always keep everything that you want at eye's distance.
When I'm writing my songs, I like look up at my vision board and I'm like, those are my dreams. So like, yeah.
Look at this. This is so cute. That dream was planted in your heart for a reason. I love it. Oh, you're so stinking
I
cute.
photoshopped a whole like billboard.
Hell yeah.
For
This is adorable.
2023.
Good job, kid. I feel like a proud mom or a rich, cool
Go
auntie.
make your vision boards,
Yeah, guys,
because
this
they
is-
really do come true. Like,
Oh, look at that. This is so cool. The lip couch.
you know, you could have your friends over for a quick lunch and
Just sit on the lip couch.
yeah.
We love it. Above the lip couch, we have the TV, fabulous, because the bed's over here. We'll show you that in a second. But over here we have the little white dresser. Again, we kind of went with like a monochromatic theme. Everything's kind of white and modern, but here's her little jewelry setup manifestation. Look at that, speaking of jewelry, 333, hey, hey. Sporting some out of stock 333, but thank you for the support. And this actually, okay, this is super cute because this is very my vibe, but tell us about this.
This is from my childhood bedroom. Literally when I was a baby, I've had this painting ever since, so
So
it's very magical.
cute.
I look at it and it just like inspires me.
Especially in your first place or somewhere that's like new, it's great to have a little piece of home. So we thought that was a nice touch.
It's very nostalgic.
Yeah. We got the pretty little golden tray on Amazon, this funky low mirror. Woo! Amazon really do be having everything.
And you could just decorate it with crystals or jewelry or anything.
Ta-da! This is so cute! Got the white fuzzy blanket with those white fuzzy pillows.
I feel like it just looks really chic and you can get these at like Home Goods for like really cheap. So fluff is always...
Ah! I feel like you're like my little protege right now. Got the little setup here, you know, just little personalized items that make you happy. This is just obviously pretty. The microphone because she sings and is a Cancer. The K for Kaylee. You know, just little objects that make
What's
you
your
smile.
zodiac sign?
I'm a Leo.
I'm a Cancer.
And my Venus is in Cancer though.
Really?
I'm a
Are we compatible?
I don't know. Clearly.
We are. We don't need the charts.
Again, little quotes and candles and things just to make it feel homey. Another closet. Ta-da! Okay, so obviously we didn't really do like too much in here. We just kind of organized it, but you know what we did do? Something special sneaky with the shoes. In the laundry room, we got these cool little like shoe hanger things to kind of make it a little sneaky shoe closet because you got a lot of shoes, just like me.
It's a great way to use a space that is kind of just like random.
Empty space saver. Sneaky way to get an extra closet. Just forgot about this. This is cute. We got the little laptop desk area. I just think it's really cute to work with like a view of, there we go, with a city view because that just is, you know, nice. Nothing too wild, but that's that. But look at the outside. Patio. Look at how cute this is. This is literally adorable. So now you can like have coffee and whatever you want out here.
Really cute.
Also, send me a video clip of this at night and I'll include that. It looks so gorgeous. Also, the lighting right now, whoop, baby. Okay.
Almost golden hour.
Yeah, almost.
I'll
It's
also
coming
show
up.
you a video during the sunset time. It's so nice.
Yeah.
Like-
You know, you can sit on the couch, relax, put your feet up. Super cute. You can just, you basically just want a cute place to be able to sit. That's it. Right, the bathroom. So we just made the bathroom a little cuter and homier. Got this really cute little like marble pedestal cabinet. Obviously she has a lot of cool makeup. We love that.
I love my self-painting.
Again, good stuff. Mantras. Little marble tissue containers and brush containers and just made it, you know, a little more glam. Great place for mirror selfies. In the shower, you know, we got the little things so she has place to put the shampoos and things, so that's cute. And that's the tour little makeover. Do you love it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, it was literally so much fun. Thank you for having me.
It was so cute, guys. It turned out so cute, and you can literally do this to your own apartment on a budget, so.
So easy. Like you saw, literally everything we did was like not hard.
Shall we link some stuff in your store?
Yeah, right, good job. Exactly. If you guys want to shop anything, I linked it all below so you guys can twin with Kaylee. Happy decorating. We love you so very much. Of course, if you want to check out Kaylee's, all linked below. Love you so much. And kisses. Oh, exactly, you know. Kisses. No, you should beat me too. That's perfect. real fan. Kisses till next time. XO. Oh, no, you're good. No, it's perfect.
One more time. Take two.
Yeah, take two. Burp. Okay. Kisses till next time. XO. Nailed it. Hi.